Hello guys, welcome back to another video of how to log in. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your Bank of America's credit card account. Watch the video till the end to know how you can log into your Bank of America's credit cards account. Before moving on, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the notification bell icon so that you'll be notified for any of our new uploads. Now let's get back to the video. So to log into your Bank of America's credit card account, firstly open your Google search, type in Bank of America credit card login and make a search. It will display the search results. Tap on the first link shown on the page. It will take you to the login page of Bank of America. In order to log into your account, enter your user ID and password associated with your Bank of America's credit cards account. In case you have forgotten your password, click on Forgot Password. If you don't have an account, you can simply click on Enroll. Now, after entering your user ID and password, tap on Login. This is how you can log into your Bank of America's credit cards account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching.